Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi! Thank you so much for clicking into my video. So today we are going to be talking about the New Balance M1000. This is just the general release colorway, and I know what you're thinking. Where is the Joe Fresh Goods pair? And okay guys, I actually had them in hand and I didn't get them. I don't know whether I regret that now. So there were two colorways that dropped with the Joe Fresh Goods collab, and I really wanted the pink pair, but that one was a Joe Fresh Goods exclusive. They had a raffle on the Joe Fresh Goods website and I tried to enter, but you needed an American address, and I'm out here in Australia, so obviously I could not enter, which is a little bit sad, so I missed out. And then, if I'm not mistaken, he did a release in Japan, but again, I'm here, so there was no way for me to get a pair unless I pay resale for them. I haven't really checked what the resale price is like for the pink pair, but I'm definitely interested in them. I mean, if any of you guys have a US 6 or 6.5, let me know. Anyway, I know some of you guys would have had the same thought as me when you first saw that bronze colorway. It kind of reminds you a little bit of the Skepta Nike 97s. I know, I think it has to do with obviously the materials and colorway and also the general shape of the sneaker. But the thing is, with the Skepta 97s, he was actually inspired by the Nike Air Tuned Max that released in 1999, and these 1000s originally came out in 1999 as well. So I don't know what was the exact inspiration behind that bronze colorway for the Joe Fresh Goods 1000, but at the same time, I feel like that material, like that iridescent bronze colorway, was very of that time. Like that was like 1999, 2000s. I feel like that was very much the look, and I know a lot of people are seeing the similarities, which I do as well, but wow, that was a very long intro, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's just actually talk about these sneakers. So this is the silver colorway that is just a general release pair, and I'm sure we'll see New Balance drop this in a bunch of different colorways this year, just like how they did with the 2002Rs and the 1906. This is just the start of the M1000 era. So you can see the upper is constructed with this silver leather material as well as some mesh. It does have a fairly chunky midsole and it has the absorb cushioning, so it's fairly comfortable on feet. I cannot imagine running in these, but in 1999 it was released as a running sneaker, and you can still see on the insole of the sneaker that it says New Balance running, so I guess you can try running in them, but I'm sure we're all used to other running sneakers, so I definitely see this as more of a lifestyle sneaker for myself. So here on the forefoot you can see 1000 embroidered there, and you'll also see it on the heel of the sneaker as well as the New Balance branding. It also has a rubberized end logo here, and with the laces of the sneaker, they've used a round lace, and there's also the lacing system here on the front. With the tongue of the sneaker, again, you can see it says New Balance 1000. With the Joe Fresh Goods pair, it did have some fun details, like on the forefoot of one side of the sneaker, there was JFG embroidered instead of 1000, but on the other side of the shoe, it was 1000. The tongue of the sneaker was also a little bit different. It had a different pattern here on this panel, and then on the heel of the sneaker, obviously it had more co-branding, and I really love the insole of that sneaker because it sort of had this colorful infrared kind of a vibe, and it also came in that really cool silver box which got super fingerprinty. Not that, you know, it should bother anyone, but I feel like when I was trying to take a good video and photo of it, it was really hard not to like get my reflection. Not my reflection, but you can sort of see like I'm there if you look very closely. The Joe Fresh Goods pair is definitely fun, and if you manage to get a pair, I feel like it's worth copying. I don't know why. I decided at the very last minute, I was like, no, you know what? I don't need it because at some stage, maybe I'll try and get the pink pair. Anyway, back to these sneakers. Sizing wise, I feel like they fit true to size, so I just went for my true to size, which is a men's US 6, and they fit really good. I'm always a little bit cautious when it comes to sizing with new silhouettes, but I tried on the 6 and I obviously have not worn these a ton, but I have walked around in them a little bit and they feel good. So I feel like you can go true to size with these and you should be fine. It's definitely on the chunkier side, and at first I thought that maybe the bronze pair was inspired from like the original colorway, but from what I found a photo online which someone posted on Instagram. The original colorway is like a black, yellow and white color. Hold on, I'll show you guys a photo. I do really like this silver colorway. Obviously, my first preference would be the pink Joe Fresh Goods pair. Between the bronze pair and this silver one, I much prefer this silver colorway. There's something about it where I feel like it's a little bit more wearable compared to the bronze pair. The bronze pair is almost like a bit too dark for my liking, but some people really do like that bronze iridescent material, which I totally get. But personally for me, I think the silver is the way to go for myself. They also give you a set of spare laces, which is in a brighter white and a slightly different texture. Hopefully you guys can see on camera, but I do prefer the laces that it comes laced with. So it is in this like off-white color that matches the midsole. The color of the midsole is in this off-white or even very, very pale yellow. Like it's definitely not a stark white at all, but it kind of goes together. Like it adds to that sort of, I don't know, Y2K vintage sort of look. Is Y2K like still a trend? I don't know, guys. I'm very not trendy. Even though it may seem like it, I do enjoy my hype stuff, but in terms of like styles that are trendy and stuff, I feel like I don't really follow that. So I don't know, is Y2K still a thing? I don't know, but anyway, I feel like that's probably one of the reasons why New Balance brought it back, because the whole Y2K dad shoe kind of trend seems to be going strong. Another detail is the heel collar. So this is designed to cradle your ankle to give you more comfort and stability. I haven't worn these enough to have a full idea of the comfort levels, but first impression wise, they do feel good on feet. My current go-to for New Balance is the 1906 as well as my 990 V3s. I don't know whether this will be the same level of comfort, but we'll find out with time. But yeah, I think that is pretty much it for this review, guys. It may be a little bit short, and I'm really sorry if I'm a little bit rambly because I feel like I was trying to talk about these but also the Joe Fresh Goods at the same time. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to cop the Joe Fresh Goods or whether you'll be picking up a pair of these. I'm excited to see this silhouette in more colorways, and I'm also excited to see what collabs they have coming this year for this silhouette. Again, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description bar below so you guys can pick up a pair. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you soon. Bye!